Hello from Filings Corner. Director Resignation Services. Legally compliant, seamlessly managed. When a director steps down from a company, it's more than just a formality. It's a legal process governed by the Companies Act 2013. Whether voluntary or due to corporate restructuring, the resignation must be properly recorded and filed to protect both the director and the company from future liabilities. At Filings Corner, we ensure a smooth and fully compliant director resignation process, handling documentation, MCA filings, and regulatory compliance, so you can focus on what's next. Why proper director resignation matters. Legal compliance updates MCA and ROC records as required by law. Smooth governance maintains an accurate and functional board structure. Limits future liability. Frees the director from post-resignation obligations. Facilitates new appointments. Enables timely restructuring and onboarding of new leadership. Step-by-step process. For Director Resignation 1, submission of resignation letter. The resigning director submits a signed resignation letter to the Board of Directors. 2. Board meeting and resolution. The company convenes a board meeting to acknowledge and accept the resignation formally through a resolution. 3. Filing form, DIR 12, with MCA. Within 30 days, the company must file Form DIR 12 with the Registrar of Companies, ROC, to officially record the resignation. 4. Updating company registers. The company updates Register of Directors, Register of Shareholding, if applicable. Minutes of the board meeting. 5. Shareholder notification, if required. Key stakeholders and investors are notified for transparency and continuity. 6. Appointment of new director, optional. If needed, a new director is appointed by passing a resolution and filing DIR 12 for the new appointment. Key MCA forms and deadlines. Form purpose due date DIR 12. Notify MCA of director resignation within 30 days of resignation. MGT 7. Reflect change in annual return within 60 days of AGM AOC 4. Update financial filings, if applicable. Within 30 days of AGM DIR 8, disqualification declaration, if applicable. Before resignation documents required. Resignation letter, signed by the resigning director. Board resolution, accepting the resignation. Updated registers, director and shareholding records, Form DIR 12, filing with ROC. Settlement proof, if any. Clearance of financial duties or responsibilities. Penalties for non-compliance. Late filing of DIR 12. R500 per day of delay. Unupdated registers. May result in regulatory scrutiny. Liability on resigned director. Remains liable until resignation is officially recorded by ROC. Why choose Filings Corner? Expert legal and compliance team, CAs, CSs, and lawyers on board. Hassle-free process. We handle paperwork, filings, and deadlines. 100% MCA compliance. No errors, no rejections. Affordable and transparent pricing. Flat rate services, no hidden costs. Quick turnaround time. Resignation filed and acknowledged promptly. Resignation? Let's make it simple. Whether you're resigning from directorship or processing a resignation as part of corporate restructuring, trust Filings Corner to manage it legally and efficiently. Visit www.filingscorner.com or call us now for a free consultation. Filings Corner, your trusted partner in corporate compliance.